olive oil has the most calories per gram.
Alright guys, so for dinner we're going to make minestrone soup. It actually turned out really well, so I'm going to film a voiceover so you can make it too. So first I'm just chopping up the veggies, 1 zucchini first. Half an onion. Three pieces of celery. About 5 cloves of garlic. And then some carrots. I chopped up I think about 10 baby carrots because that was all I had, but just as many carrots as you'd want in your soup. And last, 4 green onions. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to put 2 tablespoons of water into a pot that's hot on the stove, and you're going to add the garlic and the onions to it and let them cook for about 5 minutes or until the onions are translucent. Next, I'm adding in the carrots and the green onions to cook by themselves for about 5 minutes. I also added a couple more tablespoons of water. After those are all soft, I'm adding in 4 cups of veggie broth. Next, I'm adding in the remainder of the vegetables that we chopped up earlier, as well as 1 can of chickpeas and 1 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes. Now I'm just going to mix it up and let it cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. In the meantime, I'm cooking some pasta to be put into the soup later. Now I'm going to add in the seasoning. So first, 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast, then about 2 teaspoons of basil, and 2 teaspoons of oregano. Next, I'm going to add in some black pepper. I just sprinkled some on here, but I added more on later as I cooked, so just add the seasonings as you see fit while you're cooking. This is also me adding some more salt, and then I'm going to stir it up and let that cook for about 10 minutes. Now here I'm adding in about half a tablespoon of maple syrup just for some sweetener. This is kind of optional. Next, I'm adding in the cooked pasta and I'm stirring it into the rest of the soup. After that is cooked for about 10 minutes, I'm going to add in the spinach and I'm going to stir that in, and I'm adding in a little bit more after this. And once you have everything added into the soup, you're going to let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes, adding seasonings as you go until it tastes the way you want it to. So after I scoop the soup into my bowl, I'm going to add in some fresh basil on the top. This is of course optional, but for me, it made it taste and look a lot better. And this is the final product. I really liked the soup. I thought it turned out really well. And then to wrap up this video, the last thing I ate today was just some popcorn over the Democratic debates. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more.